नमस्ते बच्चों। आज का पाठ है उत्तम बीज। उत्तम बीज माने बेस्ट सीड। एक कहानी है। बहुत पुरानी बात है। इट हैपेंड वेरी लॉन्ग एगो। प्रतापगढ़ का राजा वृद्ध हो गया था। The Raja of Pratapgarh became very old. उसके पुत्र अयोग्य थे. His sons were useless. उसने नए राजा के चुनाव के लिए एक तरकीब सोची. So, because of that, he thought of an idea to select a new king. He thought of a idea. He thought of a plan to find out, to elect a new king. Okay. राज्य के सभी किशोरों को राज्यसभा में बुलाया गया. So from that place he called all the young people to the royal court, to the palace. राजा ने स्वयं सबको एक एक बीज दिया. What did Raja do? He gave each one of them one seed. और बताया कि आप इस बीज को उगाएं. Then he told, take it to your home and go and grow it, germinate it, look after it and grow it. जिसका पौधा उत्तम होगा उसे विशेष पुरस्कार दिया जाएगा. Whosoever plant is good, growing good and healthy, they will be given a special reward. Okay. लियांग बहुत व्याकुल था क्योंकि वह रोज गमले में पानी डाल रहा था. लियांग was very much worried, व्याकुल, worried, because रोज daily गमले में पानी डाल रहा था. He was pouring water in the pot. देखभाल भी करता था. He was looking after the plant very well. लेकिन उसके बीज में अंकुर नहीं फूटा. But what happened? From his seed, it did not sprout. His seedlings did not sprout out. दूसरे लड़के से पूछा तो उसे पता चला कि उनके पौधे बहुत अच्छे हैं. When he asked the other people who had got the seed, they told that their plants were अच्छा है, very good, healthy. किसी के गमले में तो सुंदर सुंदर फूल भी खिले थे. In few of his friends' pot, there were beautiful flowers also. वर्ष भर बाद सब अपना अपना गमला लेकर पहुंचे. After a year, all of them took their own pots and reached the royal court. They went to see the king. राजा खुशी से बोला. राजा told very happily, वाह कितने सुंदर पौधे हैं. What a beautiful plant these are. सबने पौधों की देखभाल बहुत अच्छी तरह की है. All of you have looked after the plant very well. Then he is asking to Liang, Liang, तुम्हारा गमला क्यों खाली है? Liang, what happened? Your flower pot is empty. क्या तुमने ठीक से देखभाल नहीं की? Didn't you look after the plant very well? Liang became very sad. Liang बोला, he said, महाराज, मैंने प्रतिदिन पानी दिया, खाद दिया और देखभाल अच्छी तरह की है, पर अंकुर नहीं फूटा. So Liang is telling to the king, Maharaj, I watered it daily. Pratidin means daily. I watered it daily. Khad, manure, I gave manure. I looked after देखभाल. I looked after it very well. But it did not sprout out. सब लड़के जोर जोर से हंसने लगे. Hearing this, every people in the king's court, in the royal court, started laughing. राजा ने सबको देखा, फिर कहा. Raja looked everyone and then Raja said, what did he say, you know? Liang, तुमको मैं राजा बनाना चाहता हूँ. Liang, I wanted to make you the king. Then what he is telling, you know? वर्ष भर पहले मैंने उबला बीज दिया था. 1 year back when I gave all of you seed, I have given boiled seed. Boiled seed does not grow when you put in mud, isn't it? सब ने बीज को बदल कर दूसरा बीज बोया. Everyone changed the seed. അത് വളർന്നില്ല എന്ന് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ everyone changed the seed and instead of that they planted, they put another one seed. लेकिन तुमने ऐसा नहीं किया. But you were truthful. You did not do that. Okay. मैं समझ गया हूँ कि तुम में ईमानदारी, सच्चाई और साहस के उत्तम गुण है. मैं समझ गया हूँ. I understand that. You have, तुम में, you have all the 3 good characters. That is ईमानदारी, सच्चाई और साहस. So, ईमानदारी, honesty. सच्चाई, truth. And साहस means courage. Okay, सच्चाई, truth. ईमानदारी means honesty. Sahas means courage. You should have the courage to tell the truth. Okay. ये उत्तम गुण है. These best गुण. You are having all these 3 best habits. अतः तुम ही राजा होने के योग्य हो. That's why you are fit to be the king. बाद में लियांग ही प्रतापगढ़ का राजा बना. So after a long time, after the king's time, Liang became the king of Pratapgarh. I hope you enjoyed it. So, in our life also, we should have these 3 uttam guna. That is Imandari, Sachai or Sahas. Okay. Then only we will be leading to a success life. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, children.